Hello guys, welcome back to another lovely trading video. In this one we're going to be doing some in-depth stock analysis on OMER. Reason for this is it is the leading gap of today, being up over 68%. So firstly we can see it's currently sitting around $4.50, and we can see that is coming into the first deviation on the 4 hour, which is around 460, with the first deviation then on the daily being around 560. So really these are going to be the key levels as prices push up. And we can see intraday as it came into this 460, this is kind of where it started to be a bit more uncertain, but this could be just because it's come into the close. So really looking into tomorrow, this level will be key, meaning we break over it and hold it, and if we can hold it, then that's when we're overall going to be looking for a push to that 560 mark, which does provide quite strong upside, as that is a over a 20% move, and that would really be the next target. If we can break and then hold that 560 level, then we're going to be looking at around 650 and 835, with an extreme push more towards $10 and $15 or $14.30. So those are going to be the key levels to the upside. So if OMER can keep breaking and holding its levels, those are going to be the targets to the upside. But really the key targets we'll be looking at tomorrow is a push from 460 to 560, and if we can hold that intraday, that next push to 650, pushes to $8.30 and $10 and so on are most likely going to happen on other days. So really the key ones are just going to be these three for the time being. Now if prices start to sell off, what are going to be levels we're looking at? 365 or 370, kind of around that level, and 350 are going to be those levels to the downside, where if OMER starts selling off, this is where we expect some hesitation to be. But these are half deviation levels, so they're not as strong as whole deviations, and meaning coming into here they're good to use as guidance, but we may not trade off them, and if we do, probably would use reduced size. But we can see that these half deviations intraday have held up quite well, because this is where the earlier on resistance and support was being used. So really they'll be the key ones, and if it does continue back even further, then really the final target will be around 270, because that would be the gap fill, but it is also statistical mean on the 4 hour. But really if the stock pushes back to this level, that's when we would kind of forget about it, because any implied volatility and kind of strong volatility will most likely die coming into this level, just because then it's reversed where it originally was. And then we'll probably be looking at different gappers instead. But really the key levels that we're looking at is if we pull back, 375 and 350 probably be some support levels. We may be able to get some bounce plays. If we can break over and hold this 460, then we would expect a overall push to 560, which again could provide some good upside. But really that is the overall breakdown on OMER. So if you did enjoy, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. Hope to see you next one, and that's it. Peace.